It's not a historic day only for Seas Pakistan, but it is very exciting and historic for the city of Karachi and for Pakistan. We have been trying for this restoration since a long time. So we created a group of citizens of Karachi, how to save this building. We were trying for the funding, and there were other societies which came in.
Today, on the 156th anniversary of Frere Hall's public opening, I am pleased to announce that the US Consulate General is supporting the restoration of this historic landmark through a grant of $250,000 from the US Ambassador's Fund for Cultural Preservation. I am pleased to announce that the US Consulate General Karachi is supporting the restoration of Frere Hall through a grant from the US Ambassador's Fund for Cultural Preservation. This fund supports the preservation of all types of cultural heritage, and Frere Hall will be the 4th such grant we've given in Sindh and the 30th such award in Pakistan. Since 2001, the United States has awarded more than $6.4 million, approximately 1.1 billion rupees, for cultural heritage projects in Pakistan. Our work here to restore Frere Hall is a testament to our commitment to work with Pakistan and Sindh province to preserve Pakistan's rich cultural heritage for future generations.
10th October is a very special day for the people of Karachi because that is the day back in 1865 when this beautiful Frere Garden, Frere Hall was opened up for the people of Karachi. I'm very happy to announce that more than 150 years later, with the help and support of the US government from the US Consulate, work is starting with regards to the restoration and preservation of this beautiful building.